everyone, I'm come back with my new video and the video's name is Career Guidance. Well, it's related to the multiple intelligence what I spoke about last time. So come, let us see.
Kritika miss, I hope I came on time. I'm Nikhil's sister, Neeta.
Hi Neeta, nice meeting you. No, you're on time. Where is your brother?
My brother is not well, but he told me that I should go for your session.
Oh, no problem. I could tell you about the career information and you could go and tell him. The word career gives us jitters, doesn't it? Yes, it does. I mean, from the time you are a little girl or a little boy, you get to hear, what do you want to become when you grow up? Well, as a kid, I would say I want to play, then think about what I want to grow up and become. Don't you think so? Well, these questions keep on coming, and we are just around these thoughts all the time. But the world only asks us questions. And yeah, sometimes it do suggest, but most of the time they ask us questions about our career, and we are so confused. We don't understand what to do. What do we choose? What do we pick? And how to go about? We are so confused that we don't know what is right and what is wrong with us.
Yes, these people ask me same question about career all the time. I am so fed up.
See, you being younger than your brother, people don't spare you about this question.
Miss, what's the solution for this?
Come, I'll tell you about it. As we reach 10th standard, so many opinions come. Take science. You can become doctor or engineer. Life is set. Take commerce. Your marks are average now. So it's better, you take commerce. It will be fine. It will be an okay type of job. Oh, you are lower than average now. So arts is the best option. Science and commerce is not meant for you. Wow. What is meant for me and what is not meant for me, the world will decide. And what about me? I don't have a life, I don't have thoughts, I don't take decisions, that people are taking decisions for me. Wow, that's really nice. But these people, they only know few career options. There are many, a lot of it. But they know that if you are going to science stream, there's only doctor and engineer. Sorry, there are so many other professions in science too, in arts also, and also in commerce. But people don't think about that. They only have fixed professions, and people want others also to do that only. Why? Why can't we be different? Why we have to be same? What's wrong with the world? Everybody around us have an opinion when it comes to our career. But we can't take any decision. Why? Don't we have the right to take our own decision about our career? Career is the most important decision of our life that's going to stick around with us for a lifetime. That profession is the most important thing for us. But no, people will say, I know better than you. How can you know better than me? My career, my choice. What is wrong with people? Do you know 75% of the population around the world have not chosen the career which they like, but they are doing something which they don't like because of many reasons like peer pressure, family choices, financial problems, and some who are unaware, they feel that what's popular, let's do that. And due to that, there is so much of unhappiness. There's no satisfaction. There's no enjoyment doing that job. Why? We need to enjoy our job. We need to have fun while doing our work. That only will motivate us to do us better in life. Oh my god, so many career options. And I knew only 4-5. This is so much. I know, you may be thinking the same. But we have a lot of career options and lot of openings in different professions. But we only think about the age-old method and that's it. Well, there is a way to solve your problems. Try and do research about yourself. Do you know yourself enough? And if you know yourself enough, then pick a career of your choice. Not what other people are telling you, not because it's a popular career, not because, oh, there's nothing else to do, so let's do this. Be aware. This is your life. It's your lifetime decision. Many people ask, what should be our first thought when picking a career? Well, you need to see the pros and cons, do a lot of research, talk to people who are in the career which you want to choose and see whether you are capable in that. Don't think about an halo effect by having only a good impression of that career and take up that career. No. Also, you need to know that which things you are good at. Write that down and then think that from this which I am best. This can be done in many ways. I would tell you further. Come, let's know more. Multiple intelligence will surely help you in finding out which career suits you. Well, as I told you earlier, right? That there is one intelligence which is very prominent in everyone. Okay? So, when we know about that one intelligence, we can work on it to find out the best career options. Right? So, what do we need to do? Well, we have two options. That is a test. Okay? That's the hand test which is done. Okay, and when the test results come, they tell you which profession you are good at and you will be able to excel. The second way is like for schools. They can start this from standard 5th by giving them questionnaires to every division in 5th standard till the time you reach 10th standard and see which is suitable for the child, because the child likes something different in 5th standard, but by the time the child reaches 10th standard would like something else, and through that you will come to know which of the intelligence the child is good at, and accordingly we can work on it and the child can work on it to better him or herself in that intelligence, right? So these things are there and they are unaware of the things which are going around. This happens because we are not promoting this, we are not giving much importance to this, and this will cause problems with our career. Why? Why should we spoil our career? It's such an important thing of our life. We need to do our best. So I would suggest pick any two of these tests and you will find a solution. Well, I got many queries saying that they want to know the activities done with all 8 intelligence. Well, for that, if you want to know any activities to do in the classroom or in the house, then you need to contact me and I will surely provide you. Yes, I will surely provide you with the test. Even if you come personally by contacting me, I will give you the test, and also if you want it to be done for a group, I can do that too. So you need to know what's right and wrong for you. Don't let your career decision be done by somebody else. You have to live with it all your life.
Miss, this is so far. I have recorded this and I will show my brother.
You're welcome, Neeta.
Miss, my brother's friends and my friends would also want your help for career. Will you help them too?
Yes, I will help them. Don't worry. More information about tests and guidance they can contact me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, then please do subscribe, like, share. For any queries or counseling, you can email at gonsalvespritika@gmail.com.